Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Vishwa and today I'm going to review the LG FH0G7 QD-NL02 7kg front load washing machine. It comes in many more colors with plenty of top-notch features, so let's move ahead and explore this machine. This LG washing machine is clearly one of the best washing machines out there because it is equipped with the 6-motion direct drive technology. Let me briefly explain to you how this feature works. So after you have selected a wash program, the drum moves in multiple motions for an optimal wash, and then it uses a 6-step cleaning process involving scrubbing, stepping, tumbling, filtering, swinging and rolling. In turn, your clothes receive proper care without the fabric getting damaged, ensuring that your clothes always stay as good as new. This motor is also super reliable and absolutely quiet. It is also backed by a 10-year long warranty that gives you true peace of mind. This LG washing machine also gives you optimum washing performance because of its inverter control technology. This feature generates less speed fluctuations and consumes the exact amount of electricity at every step. This does not only save water, but also energy, which is a huge saving in your electricity bill. Now moving on, this machine also comes with a completely waterproof touch control panel. As practical and user-friendly this panel is, it also gives a touch of sophistication to your house. With a seamless and sleek design, the touch panel gives you maximum visibility with zero compromise. This machine works like a maverick and takes care of itself when it needs any kind of repair. With the smart diagnosis system, this machine troubleshoots and repairs itself with the help of your smartphone. If the problem is still unmanageable, then this machine detects it automatically, saving your time and trouble of explaining the problem. So friends, LG FH0G7 QD-NL02 7kg front load washing machine gets 2 thumbs ups from me. It's extremely user-friendly, compact and powerful. Its advanced and easy to use features will make it your everyday partner in no time. And buying this washing machine on Flipkart is an irresistible deal because on Flipkart you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and assured brand warranty. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.